Sky fireworks from a rocket bust. Whoa, the sky turns to fireworks, all from a rocket blast. Want to know how? March 6, Texas. SpaceX's Starship, 33 engines strong, rockets up. Then, boom, blows apart mid-flight. Fiery debris rains over Florida, the Caribbean, like stars gone wild. Picture it. Kids scream, fireworks! Glowing bits light the night, stunning, freaky. Airports shut down, planes dodge the mess. SpaceX says it's for Mars. Crazy, right? Internet's lit. Epic win or epic fail? What's your call? Comment now, like sub. Next blast soon. Mars dreams glow on. Catch you next time.